I don't know why you're going to a standard car wash for your expensive ass cars.
Oh my God, we took
Wanna
two of the
scratch 'em?
Lamborghinis there. It was, they f***ed them up.
Yes, what?
We were in a rush. We had to do a photo shoot.
I don't want to tell you to spend money, but get a detailer on call.
No, we do have a detailer, but it was, I needed it 30 minutes. And
Okay, you paid ChatGPT, Uber Eats, or Uchiko. You spent $1,300 at Uchiko.
I tip usually 100%.
Okay, even still, that's a decent amount at Uchiko. Uchiko's expensive, but it's not like, how many people are you bringing for $750?
It was with one person, and we said, can I have everything on the menu except for a few things?
Everything on the menu.
Everything.